Stuller's new Findings catalog makes it easier than ever to find everything you need to create unique looks for your customers. Within the book, you'll find 20% new product, images shown to scale, more references to matching or related items, as well as integrated semi-set pricing throughout. Also, enjoy improved navigation with separate tabs for chain, trims, pendant components, and earring components. All styles in the catalog are easily found at Stuller.com for real-time pricing and quick ordering. Be on the lookout for your catalog in the mail, or ask your sales representative for your copy today.